Hey guys, welcome back. So in previous introductory videos I am a research person working in a clinical setup. So I thought how about I share something regarding health, and the best way to do it is by sharing my own story. So I was diagnosed with PCOS. Initially 2011 and first period but there was something off from the beginning itself which I didn't notice. ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಮೀ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 3 to 5 days, ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ 7 to 14 days ಇರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. So it would happen for 7 days, or some months it would be for 14 days. And from 2011 till 2020, I had this issue. Not even once in those 9 to 10 years, ನನಗೆ periods less than 7 days ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. So you can understand how draining it would be. Fast forward into 2020, COVID announce ಆಗಿತ್ತು and quarantine ಇನ್ನೂ strict ಮಾಡಿದಿಲ್ಲ. 2020 March ಅಲ್ಲಿ I got my periods, and unfortunately for the next 3 months, March, April, May, continuous and periods ಆಯ್ತು. All 3 months without a day's gap. So every day I used to spot. Spotting idrununu, it still feels very uncomfortable, very disturbing to watch blood every single day. But by the end of 3 months, I decided to consult a doctor. So I consulted my gynae. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಿ gynecologist ಹತ್ರ. I couldn't take my mom. And my brother was outside, so I went inside. I was pretty nervous. Of course, ನನ್ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದೇನಲ್ಲ, but it was like very weird entering into a gynecologist setup, right? ಜ್ವರ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು, physician ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಹಲ್ಲು ನೋವು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಡೆಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. So it was, I basically used to just go to physician and my dentist, but never a gynecologist, and it was all a little uncomfortable. So I go inside and I tell her that I have so and so problems, and it's kind of mentally training me as well. She told that we will do an ultrasound scan. That was so new for me. She asked me to lie down, and that was so uncomfortable. It was uncomfortable. It was embarrassing. Okay. I was like, okay. So she basically showed me on the screen that my uterus was fine. I was like, okay. So I thought, no problem. I don't have any issues. But then she went near my ovaries. Ovaries hatra hodaga ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು that she can see multiple cysts and that I have PCOS. So I was 21-year-old, and listening to me having PCOS, I was blank for a second. So what now? Is it mild, moderate, severe? What is it? Should I cry? Should I be worried about? I was blank. She made me sit. The first thing that she did was she gave me an injection that would stop my bleeding, because already 3 months spotting ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ and I couldn't take it, which did stop my bleeding. And our bleeding stopped by the next day and spotting ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. And then she basically gave me this myo-inositol supplement. Our treatment on 2-3 months naditu. Thank God she didn't give me any very complex kind of treatment. It was very simple. She focused more on supplements. By the end of 2-3 months of treatment, I was really fine. And my first achievement, I will call it an achievement because it never happened in my life, was that I got my periods for 4 days. I was the happiest. Every month, same day again, and same date ನನಗೆ periods ಬರಕ್ ಶುರು ಆಯ್ತು. So I was like, okay, I'm reproductively healthy. My cycles are aligned. I don't have any spotting. One thing that my gynecologist told me before I left, I think that was my last session with her, and she asked me not to gain weight. I was 54.5, 55 range. So she told me never to go beyond 55. I was like, okay. I came back home, everything good. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಾರಂಟೈನ್ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಮನೇಲೆ ಇರೋದಾಯ್ತು. ಝೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ಮೈ ಅಡಿಕ್ಷನ್. ಝೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊದಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡು, ತಿನ್ನು, ಮಲ್ಕೋ, ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನೋಡು. ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮೈ ರೂಟೀನ್. ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಜನದ ರೂಟೀನ್ ಅದೇ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಅಂಡ್ ಇದರಿಂದ ಫ್ರಮ್ 54 I went straight away to 59. And my body couldn't take it. I started having an irregular periods again. And this time it was something new. Now, what used to happen was I used to not get periods for 2 months, 3 months. I consulted my doctor again in 2021, the same gynecologist. She did my scan. She told she could still see cysts. So she asked me to do some blood tests, basically the hormonal test. So ನಾನು LH, FSH and prolactin ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. And reports ಬಂದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನನ್ನ LH was 4 times more than the normal range. And then she told me that my LH was 4 times higher and it's not normal, and I need to be put on the supplements again. I was in treatment for 4 to 5 months. And by the end of the 5 months, again, ನನ್ನ cycle proper ಆಯಿತು. She told me never to put on weight. In 2024, I got an opportunity to visit Orissa. ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತು 40 ಡೇಸ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಏಮ್ಸ್ ಭುವನೇಶ್ವರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಗೆ ಫುಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ತುಂಬಾ ಫುಡ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಫುಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟೇ ಆಗ್ದಿರಾ 40 ಡೇಸ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ವಾಪಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ I was 55 kgs. Now I thought it's all fine, I'm good, weight, I'm healthy, this. But I wasn't. In 2026, I started having irregular periods again. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಗಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 months once, 3 months once periods ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. And this time I thought I'll be 27. I have to focus more on my reproductive health. And I thought, let's not waste any time, and went back to my gynecologist again. So I consulted my gynec in May 1st week consult ಮಾಡಿದೆ. So when I consulted, ನಂಗೆ periods ಇದೆಲ್ಲ random day choose ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. When I went, my complaint was that I didn't have my periods for 3 months. Ultrasound ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರು. Ovaries ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದಾಗ she couldn't really find anything. So she told that she was not able to find any cyst as such. So I was really happy. But if there are no cysts, what could it be that is causing irregular periods? So she told, we will give some blood tests. So ಅವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ನಾನು CBC, thyroid and blood sugar, random ಗ್ಲೂಕೋಸ್ ಈ 3 ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು. ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ all 3 were normal. And back in 2021 alva, when I did the blood test, along with hormones, I also gave thyroid. And aವಾಗ ನಂಗೆ hypothyroidism ಆಯ್ತು. And I was on Tylenol for almost 3 months something. I thought this time ಹೋದಾಗ thyroid ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೇ hypothyroidism ಮತ್ತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. Fortunately, my thyroid was normal, my sugar was normal, my HB was normal, everything was normal. Next periods ಆದಾಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಡೇ ಬಂದು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಅಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಐ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆಡ್ ಹರ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ she couldn't really find any cysts. She told me that she was not able to find any cysts again. So ಅವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ she asked me to check my LH, FSH and prolactin. So blood ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ and next day report ಬಂತು. All my hormones are perfectly normal. But ultimately my doctor told I'm perfectly fine and I have to come back on my second day of my next period, which will be in July. So right now I think my weight is around 56.5. All my hormones are good. My thyroid, sugar, HB, CBC, everything is good. This journey was really hectic. I had to face many things. I had a lot of facial hair and body hair thinning. But trust me, it's not only about the physical appearance or physical traits that are changing, but mentally one train aಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, hectic. And I'm really wishing to focus more on my health again, to have a good nutritional intake and good physical activity. To all the women who are battling PCOS out there, just know that you are very strong, you're really brave, and you can do it. Consult a good gynecologist. Make sure your treatment is not very complex. If it is, normal PCOS, so if you have endometriosis and other conditions, of course, it's different, but please consult a good gynecologist. Get your treatments done right. Focus on your health. Do not stress. I think that's the main problem. Like, do not stress. It's easy to tell and hard to abide by. Be happy, be healthy. That's it. So here I am concluding my PCOS journey. If you're battling with PCOS, do let me know what precautions you're taking, how you're trying to reverse the condition. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye-bye.